Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video we are going to watch how to apply a student visa to study in the Republic of Croatia. Before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe right now. And also I would like to clarify, neither I am an immigration consultant nor I am a government body. So if you take anything out of this video, you do it at your own risk. Alright guys, so let's proceed. So guys, in front of you, I have opened this website of Republic of Croatia in the Republic of India. Okay, so based on the location where you are, you need to look for visa requirements. Because first of all, like based on your location, there could be some additional requirement. There could be additional fee, steps, anything it could be. So it's always good to check the requirements as per the region you are in if you need a visa. Okay. So in front of you, I have opened this site of Republic of Croatia about consular information from the embassy in India. So they have given all this information because this is going to be study visa is going to be like a long stay. So we cannot apply for short stay C visa, right? It's going to be D visa, long stay visa. See. So how are we going to apply this? So they have clearly said that they have outsourced it to VFS. You see here, and this is in these cities. They have given all the information as well. Now, let's go through this. So I have opened this VFS site in India for Croatia. If you go through step-by-step guide, it asks like select the visa type. If I select here study, they provide all the requirements. Visa fee, they have given the visa fee and VFS charges also. And mode of payment in India only. This is what I tell you guys. Like based on your location, it could be different. For example, applicants from Nepal, they want demand draft. So this is how you're gonna do. Documents required. They have a checklist. So I have opened the checklist over here. Application form, passport photo, travel document, travel document, passport certificate of admission, of course, like acceptance letters, student cards, okay. Previous diploma, I mean education qualification, certified by notary, PCC, legalized, prearranged accommodation, proof of finance, income tax return for past 3 years of the sponsor. So that's what I was telling you guys based on location. Travel itinerary, overseas medical insurance valid for all Schengen countries. Okay, and some details. All right. Photo specification is given here. We have checked the checklist. This you can submit 6 months in advance and standard is 30 calendar days, but it may take longer, like based on your case. If they need to conduct an interview, if they want additional documents, or if they are going to do additional verification, so it may take. So that's fine. Now, when it comes to form, the form is online that you need to open, fill, download, and print, and then bring it over there. So we'll go through the form, but once you like fill your application, or you need to book an appointment, go there, pay the fee. They may collect your biometric if required, and then if it is granted, you are all good to go. Now let's go to the application. So this is available in these languages. You can select English. You are going to new application. So click on new application, 6-page application. Okay. So the information I'm going to put is only sample. Do not consider it real. Okay. Surname. And all the data you need to put as per your case, not exactly what you see here. Okay. I'm just putting some sample. Oh, place of residence. I'll put. Of course, I won't be submitting. I'm not filling up all the fields. I'm just in order to navigate you through the form, I'm filling up only the mandatory fields. But when you do it, like you can do it. Ordinary passport, travel document number. Be very careful, guys, when you put, because a lot of people do minor mistakes and then they struggle a lot. By a country other than, I select no, occupation and employer. What are you doing now? Main purpose. So yeah, this is very important. You select study. Intent date of arrival, departure, whatever is applicable in your case. Number of entries. You can calculate this. Destination country. We are gonna do Croatia, right? Yeah. Here you go. Sorry about that. Uh, Other visa issue pass through your previously collected fingerprints. If you put, then they may not collect your biometric. Guarantor inviting person, natural person. So uh, I'll be careful. Okay. Hotel or other accommodation where you're gonna stay. Okay. Fax number. Okay. Who's gonna pay himself? Then provide all the details that you are. If you have anything additional, provide that. Okay. Now you're gonna add documents. Okay. And then in the next page, you're gonna submit. So definitely I'm not gonna do that, but you have got the idea. So thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.